I was sent this double lens LED light up magnifying glass in exchange for my review. So let's take a look at this thing. First of all, I just want to say the way it's packaged is amazing. So when you open the box that it comes in, I'll show you, it opens like this and it comes like that with this little like satin material. So it's just super fancy the way they ship it. It does take two AA batteries, which I have in there already, and that lets you turn on the light. So this is the light. If I shine it on me, you can see it's very bright. And if you have brand new batteries, it's even brighter. These are not brand new batteries. Now, the magnification works really well. So I use this, I build like like little tiny model houses, like little haunted houses. And I use this thing when I'm working on something where I really need to see the details, because this thing is super magnified. I'm going to try to show it to you by looking at the box through this. It's going to be tricky, but you can see. So there's the normal size, and just look at how big that gets. You can even see like the details of the box, like every little fiber inside of that box. So if you like to have something just sitting around, I keep this handy. I grab it anytime I need, or if you need to read the labels on a bottle, this thing's incredible. Very heavy duty, very sturdy, and the double lens makes it work really well. This thing's awesome. I would highly recommend it.